All right, this problem, an AM radio station broadcasts with an average power of 3.6 kilowatts. A receiver 62.5 centimeters long is located 1.7 kilometers from the transmitter. Assume it's a point source. Compute the amplitude of the induced EMF by this signal between the ends of the antenna. So that antenna, there's a signal over here, right? And that signal's going to give off to an antenna. And this antenna has a length of 62.5 centimeters. I'm just going to call it L, right? And there's going to be an EMF that gets induced between here, right? And an EMF, the other word for EMF is voltage. So what am I trying to figure out? So if I want the EMF, and that's a distance, I can say that, right? So voltage is electric field times distance, right? Which is length. So if I know my electric field, I know my length, I can plug my length in here, and I can solve for the voltage, but I need the electric field. Okay, so how do I get electric field? Okay, so let's relate this to intensity. I've got to get my electric field amplitude, so I can come over here. So intensity is power over area, so that's power over 4 pi r squared, right? And I also know that intensity is the average value of the Poynting vector, which is your maximum electric field squared over 2 mu naught times the speed of light. So I can combine these two things, right? I can say power over 4 pi r squared is equal to my maximum electric field squared over 2 mu naught times the speed of light. Oh, look, there we go. And all I got to do is solve, because I know power, right? Got my power. Those are constants. R, I know how far away it is, right? So the distance from the receiver is going to be R. Okay, so here's my power. That's the length of the antenna. 1.7 kilometers away, that's R. Oh, so I can just solve for this. So to rearrange this, right, E max is going to equal power times 2 mu naught speed of light over 4 pi r squared, the square root of that to get rid of the square. So I can get my max electric field, take that, plug it in for E, take the length of the antenna, plug it in for L, and that gives me voltage. Not too bad.